Hey, Jacob.
Hey, Devin. This is Jacob with Western Window Systems at Junction Station, Mountain View Window and Door in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm looking at you through our 610 single hung window. So a lot of you guys know us for our sliding doors, our large pieces of glass. We actually do offer a nice 610 classic line single hung window, which is being replicated as well in our performance line series. But if you'll take a look here, a classic window.
I'm going to come inside and join you. That screen is tough to see you, but we get to see the outside. I'm coming on in.
Like I said, a lot of you guys know us for some of our multi-slide doors, big windows, large pieces of glass. These are a great product. The 610 classic line window, single hung product is great for commercial settings, or if someone just wants that classic feel of a single hung window to create some nice ventilation. They've got just a look that they're going for, a design that the architect has spec'd in their plans. What a great product to have here. We've got water, wind, element tested, rated product with screen options on all of these as well.
So you're not just big doors.
We're not, no.
You got a full family of products, from swinging, sliding, fixed, all of it to do the whole package,
We
right?
do, yeah. We want to be able to offer you a full package of your home. We would love to do as much or as little as you want us to, but our idea is that you really love Western, you love the way we approach doing business with you, and then if you have a single hung window, we're going to be able to do that too.
So in closing, what does Western call this in the brochures? Because this is from the classic family.
Correct.
So for our trusted advisors or contractors, where do they find this in the software and then get it into the wall?
Absolutely. This is a classic line. It's a 610 single hung window.
Awesome. Thanks, Jacob.
All right.